Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a China visa and book your appointment the easiest way. So once you get your final result, the next thing you'll need to do is apply for the visa. I'm going to walk you through the whole process from opening the website, filling the form, and then booking your appointment slot. So first, go to the China visa website. On the page, you'll see different language options, and then you'll see some continents listed on the site. Choose the continent based on your location. After that, you'll see a list of countries under that continent. Select your country. For example, if you choose Bangladesh, it will open the Bangladesh visa website. And when it opens, you'll see guidelines on the page. Read them carefully. Then click I already know to continue. If you want more details, you can also click go to view. Next, you'll see the consulate section. Make sure the correct consulate or city is selected for where you're applying. Once everything looks correct, go to the visa section under quick access and click it. Now you'll land on the main page. If you want to fill out the visa application form, you'll see an option where you need to tick the box, then continue and complete the form. After you submit the form, you'll get an application form number. Save that number because you will need it to book your appointment. Now, for the appointment booking, on the same system, go to the appointment option and click it. Enter your application form number and then the phone number you use when you created the form. Then click check. And once you do it, the available appointment slots will show up. Pick the date and time that suits you best, then confirm it. After you confirm, your book on your appointment. So that is the full process. Open the website, choose your location, fill out the application form, then book your appointment slots. I hope this helped you out and made everything clear. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I see you on the next one.